I have a review of this Craftsman 9-piece max access long pattern low profile wrench set. As you see, these are fully polished, made in China, sad to say, but they do feel like they're quality. They're longer than standard wrenches. I'll go get a 3/4 raised panel so you can see the size difference, both length, width, and whatnot. I'll just use this pipe to square them up. Okay, as you see, a little bit longer. Here, I'll show you how long exactly this is. Sorry guys, I'm running back and forth. As you see, this one is around 11 inches, roughly. Yeah, just about 11 inches. The raised panel is about 9 and... what does that say? 9.5. So it's a little bit longer. Also, you can see it's pretty thin, both heads, pretty thin compared to the Craftsman, which is pretty thick. And the bend on the head is a little bit neater. This comes, I paid $11.98 for this. They're like 30 bucks, $29.99 regularly. Then they were on sale for $19.99, and then they were 50% off, so I got them for $10.98 without tax, and that's the only thing I bought at Sears. Now, even though these are made in China, I do feel like they are a quality wrench set. They feel nice in your hand. They're both chrome plated inside in here instead of, you know, like Craftsman sometimes made them without chrome in the inside of the head. So these slip on pretty well. The case, I wish it was just a removable rack, because you know, even though you have this extra space here, everything falls just right down. You see, here's my fingers. Everything will fall right down, and I wish that this was closed. So, you know, say I had this fitting here. See, just fitting. I did try and do that. It'll fall right down. Also, the wrenches don't really stay in. As you see, they're all about to, like, pretty funny. Yeah, nice wrench set. You can find these at Sears. Pretty sure that they're only at Sears, and these aren't going to run you about a bunch of money. These include sizes 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, and 3/4. This is the standard size, the only sizes they had. They did not have any metric. So thanks for watching, guys.